Hi, my name is Solomon. This is a continuation of the previous video I've done on Introduction to Data Analysis. We shall be looking at other things about data analysis in this video. Now, there are things you need to understand before you carry out data analysis project or before you embark on any project involving data analysis. The first one, which is already on the screen right now, is understanding the problem. Now, our world is full of so much data, but you don't need the old data to carry out your analysis. You need data that is applicable to the particular areas or task or problem that you want to solve. So the first thing you have to do is to understand the problem. What are we trying to solve? What is the problem, number one, and what are we trying to solve with respect to the problem? So that is where understanding the problem comes. So you have to do a lot of studies, understand the problem and how the problem came. Is it a problem that can be solved using data? Because not every problem is, data is in your area, but not every problem requires data to solve. But at least the one requires data to solve. You understand that, okay, this problem is a data-driven kind of problem. You understand? And you can use data-driven solution to solve the problem. So you have to understand the problem first. Then the next one is to gather those relevant data sets, the data set connected to the problem. If you are solving an economic problem, you are looking at possibly, let's say, GDP of a country, that's gross domestic product, and if you are solving that problem, possibly you have to go to WHO, World Health Organization, or some other health ministry to gather those data sets. So in this case, what I'm saying is you have to now take the next step to gather those relevant data I'm talking about data that is relevant to that on that problem. So that is how you gather data. I'll show you different sources where you can source data in the future video. So the next one is pre-process. Those data you gather, possibly they might not be all 90% or 80% probability that they might not be in the proper order or proper shape for analysis. What you do is you transform it, you clean it, you put it in the right order so that it could be analyzed. So that's what is called data cleaning or data transformation. Sometimes in other fields you can call it data pre-processing. You pre-process it and prepare it for analysis. Okay, then before you carry out your analysis, this is the core area now. But the other ones I've mentioned now, which is the other three, are very important because you can't analyze without the three other process. So you start your analysis, pull off the column or the specific field that you need to tackle. That's question one. Then question two may require other field like that. So you analyze it, you bring them together, and you can summarize, you can do a kind of summary. You understand? So these are analysis. Analysis has a whole lot of the task you do along this point. Okay, so after that, now you go to conclusion and your finding. That is, you can draw recommendations, conclusion from your analysis. So we have other stuff there within the analysis. You have visualization, which I think really touch for now because I'm going to come to them in the future video. But let me quickly show you other things here. You see, these are the grammatical description of what I just explained. So you have to understand the problem, which falls into this area. Then collect your data collections. Then we also have data processing, which is closely related to data cleaning. So then analysis and then findings. And in your findings and conclusion, you're also involved in communication. You are communicating what you are finding. You understand? So that is it. Okay. So thank you very much for staying tuned to this video. The next video we shall look at other areas, the applications, and where we can source out data. So do look out for the next video. Thank you.